Hi everyone, Kelt here, bringing you the latest on the British royal family, and today I'm talking about Harry and Meghan and the current information that I've received. The story goes that Meghan has been talking and behaving in a way which points to the fact that she could be planning to announce another pregnancy. She and Harry are desperate, apparently, to attend the coronation, whether there is good reception or bad in the UK. They don't care. They need the attention. They crave it. It makes sense that they would do this because it was always their go-to in the past. Another pregnancy, so everyone will go easy on them. Contrary to all the rumours about them not going, not wanting to go, and then they are going, and then they're invited and they've got to respond quickly. But it all boils down to the fact that they really do want to go, both of them. And I think it's likely, if this thing goes ahead, that they will be both there. So I've been told that Meghan is going to use they both will use the pregnancy card. And whether this will happen, I don't know. But she'll keep people guessing, I'm sure, by putting her hand over her stomach. But apparently she's actually doing this now. So people that have seen her are saying that she's behaving in a way that makes it seem as though she's pregnant. So I don't know what that means. This will also help her regarding the court case with Samantha, or I think she believes it will. So it looks like Harry will be testifying against Meghan, although I believe the law says you cannot be compelled to testify your own spouse. There must be some loophole whereby they are ensuring that he does. Perhaps they word it slightly different, and Harry thinks he's doing a big favour, but he's actually dumping the evidence regarding his wife. I don't know. I don't know how this thing works, but I'm sure they'll get what they need. So he's been called to give evidence in Samantha Markle's defamation case against Meghan. And Samantha is seeking $75,000 from Meghan and demanded a trial by jury. She also is calling on Harry to give a filmed deposition under oath. This is if the case moves forward. And we also know that Meghan's father, Thomas, is said to be happy to give evidence against her. Meghan's request to have the case dismissed so that she can avoid giving evidence has been denied her. When Samantha filed the lawsuit back in March 2022, Samantha said that Meghan made demonstrably false and malicious statements about her rags to royalty life in her interview with Oprah. And Samantha also said that the interview actually hurt the sales of her autobiography, The Diary of Princess Pushy's Sister, Part 1. And she said that it didn't just affect her getting jobs, it also caused her emotional and mental distress. Samantha said that the campaign to destroy her by Meghan was premeditated and that it was aimed to destroy her and her father's reputations, and that Meghan was trying to ruin their credibility so that they could not contradict the stories that Meghan had made up, and that they could not put the record straight in this way. Meghan made it sound as if she grew up in virtual poverty, but as Samantha and Thomas said, it couldn't have been further from the truth. She went to an elite and expensive private school, and she had dancing and acting classes paid for, and none of it matched up. Samantha also picked up Meghan from school, bought her ice cream, took her shopping, and spent family holidays with her. And let's not forget that Meghan's father was her primary caregiver because her mother had disappeared for several years. Meghan filed a motion in September 22 to stop depositions in the case, but the Florida judge, who is Charlene Edwards Honeywell, dismissed that motion and ruled that Meghan did not show that the unusual circumstances could justify the stay, or that an undue burden would result if they didn't impose the stay. So, in her opinion, Meghan did not satisfy the standard required to stay. So, it's all going ahead. which is why I think her last resort now is a pregnancy, or rather a moon bump, don't you think? Apparently, the purpose of the order is to discourage Meghan wasting their time, or free trial back and forth, although it could go on longer, because Meghan's sister has found even more issues with Meghan. And now just a quick word about the necklace which Harry complained and whinged about his brother breaking when they were allegedly scrapping in the kitchen of Nottingham Cottage, or rather, William allegedly went for his brother. Whatever happened, Harry complained that William ripped off his necklace, and Harry said that it was a necklace with both his children's heartbeats on it, the one that Meghan gave him. So I have a problem with this, because that necklace would have been after they allegedly had both children. And yet the incident happened in Nottingham Cottage definitely before she was supposed to have had Lily. And the necklace is the one that Chelsea gave him before he even knew Meghan, which he continued to wear after he met and married Meghan. But Harry's trying to make it out that it's the one with his children's initials on and supposed to carry the heartbeats of his children. You really couldn't make it up. So Harry's memory is absolutely terrible, or he doesn't care. And the story is all over the place, so contradictory. So let me have your thoughts on all of this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.